So we're about to make some beer battered lobster mushroom. Here's some wine caps, Stropharia rugosa annulata. I wanted to talk more about the lobster mushroom. So this mushroom is unrecognizable from what it actually was. They used to have gills. The reason it's orange right now is because the orange and what makes it a lobster mushroom is it's been parasitized by another species called Hypomyces lactiflorium. And there's a few species that can be parasitized by this fungus. This is probably looks like a lactaria. Rusula species can also be parasitized by Hypomyces lactiflorium, which turns it into a lobster mushroom. So normally this mushroom would be inedible, not poisonous, but just inedible due to how bitter and spicy it is. But once this parasitic fungus attacks it and turns it orange, it changes the texture, changes the shape of it, and changes the flavor, and actually makes it taste like lobster. So normally people wouldn't pick these, but once they get parasitized by another fungus, they become one of the most prized edibles mushrooms in the entire world. And we are going to make beer battered mushrooms tonight. If you're more interested on how to make the actual beer battered mushrooms, I have a video called something like how to make beer battered mushrooms, and you can I'll link that to this video. It'll be on the page on the screen, so you can click that if you'd like to have more of the process on how to make beer battered mushrooms. But I'm gonna beer batter some of my wine cap mushrooms, the Stropharia rugosa annulata. We'll see how that goes. I usually just eat these like sauteed. These lion manes, I'm not gonna beer batter tonight. We're probably gonna dry those, use them as a powder. I might fry some up tomorrow, but we're definitely gonna beer batter these yummy lobster mushrooms. If you're interested on have any interest about mushrooms, identifying mushrooms, growing mushrooms, using mushrooms, what you can do with mushrooms, then subscribe, because I'm constantly posting about mushrooms. I post a video every single day. Every day I post one video. Sometimes they're about mushrooms, sometimes they're not. Sometimes they're about dirt biking and snakes and gardening and stuff like that. So yeah, do it.